Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable swipe to type on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. After click on general management, click on Samsung keyboard settings. After click on Samsung keyboard settings, scroll down and click on swipe touch and feedback. After click on swipe touch and feedback, so click on keyboard swipe control. If you want to enable swipe to type, click on swipe to type. After click on swipe to type, you will see swipe to type is enabled. After enable to swipe to type, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable swipe to type on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.